How to add story on Instagram from PC or laptop. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Instagram right here on our website. So I'm currently logged in into my account. Now, once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the top right corner of the screen and then click this three dots. Once you do that, what we need to do is to click on more tools and then of course look for developer tools. So you can find the developer tools. It depends on what kind of browser you're using. So currently I'm using Microsoft Edge. So this is where you can find it. So if you are using Chrome or any other browsers, so you might find it in other place, but in this case, this is where it is. So I'm just going to click developer tools right here. Once you're here, the next thing that we need to do is to click this one right here, which is the toggle device emulation. And then once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to reload our website right here. And then once you reload our website, the next thing that we need to do is to click this plus icon that is located in this part, and then click this story. So once you do that, of course, just choose the image that you want to upload on your story. So by the way, you can only upload an image on your story. So you can post any videos right here. So let's say we want to use this. So once it is done, the next thing that we need to do is to click add to your story. And then once it is uploaded, this is what it should look like. You should now be able to see it in your profile section. So once it is posted, if we look right here, once we click our story, you should be able to see the photo or the image that we have just uploaded. So that is basically it. That is how to add story on Instagram from PC or laptop.